Hey garden lovers, welcome back to Homespot. Are you ready to transform ordinary branches into extraordinary garden decorations? Today I'm sharing incredible woodcraft ideas that will elevate your outdoor space without breaking the bank. These projects are perfect for beginners and use materials you probably already have in your backyard. Let's turn those fallen branches into stunning garden art. Transform thick branches into a stunning outdoor chandelier that lights up your garden evenings. Start by selecting sturdy branches and drilling small holes throughout them. Thread solar LED string lights through these holes, creating multiple tiers for visual interest. Hang your chandelier from a pergola or tree branch using strong rope or chain. As the sun sets, watch your handmade fixture come alive with warm, magical light that creates the perfect ambience for outdoor gatherings. Create enchanting dragonfly decorations that bring whimsy to your garden fence or wall. Gather thin, straight twigs for the body and smaller branches for delicate wings. Use hot glue or wire to secure the wings to the body, forming realistic dragonfly shapes. Arrange multiple dragonflies in a flying formation on your fence or wall. This simple project adds charming woodland character to any outdoor space and makes a delightful focal point among your climbing plants. Craft beautiful five-pointed stars using gathered twigs and natural jute twine. Select 5 similar-sized branches and arrange them in a star pattern. Secure each intersection point with twine, wrapping tightly to hold the shape. Create stars in various sizes for visual variety. Hang them from a garden arbor, fence, or tree branches to add rustic farmhouse charm. These versatile decorations work beautifully year-round and cost almost nothing to make from forged materials. Add color and gentle sound to your garden with handmade painted stick wind chimes. Cut branches into various lengths and paint them in rainbow colors or coordinating hues. Find a circular branch piece for the base and drill small holes around its perimeter. Attach your painted sticks using fishing line at different lengths. Hang your creation from a tree branch where breezes will create soft clinking sounds and colorful movement that delights the senses. Personalize your garden entrance with custom monogram letters crafted from small twigs. Draw your desired letter on cardboard as a template, then break twigs into short pieces. Hot glue the twig pieces onto your template, filling in the entire letter shape. Mount your finished monogram on a wooden backing or directly onto your garden fence. This charming decoration adds a welcoming personal touch that greets visitors with handmade character. Weave flexible willow branches into beautiful spherical garden sculptures. Soak willow branches in water to make them pliable, then begin forming a circular base. Continue weaving branches around and through, creating an open lattice sphere. Make multiple orbs in different sizes and nestle them among your flower beds or hang them from trees. These organic sculptural elements add wonderful textural contrast and rustic elegance that complements any garden style beautifully. Make a dramatic statement piece by arranging branches in a radiating sunburst pattern. Cut branches to similar lengths and attach them to a circular base, extending outward like sun rays. Secure each branch firmly with wire or hot glue, maintaining even spacing around the circle. Mount your finished wreath on a garden fence or wall as a bold focal point. This eye-catching decoration commands attention and brings rustic artistic flair to outdoor living spaces. Create adorable snail sculptures that add whimsy to shady garden corners. Coil flexible branches into tight spiral shells, securing with thin wire as you work. Attach a straight twig body extending from the shell with a curved neck. Place multiple snails on moss-covered stones or among hostas and ferns for a playful woodland scene. These charming creatures bring smiles to visitors and add delightful handmade character throughout your shade garden areas. Add romantic charm with heart-shaped decorations crafted from flexible branches. Soak branches to make them bendable, then form them into heart shapes. Secure the bottom point and top curves with thin wire to maintain the shape. Hang your twig hearts from garden trellises, arbors, or tree branches among climbing roses and flowering vines. These sweet rustic accents create cottage garden romance and work beautifully for outdoor weddings or anniversary garden celebrations. Construct a natural elevated plant stand by interlocking wooden limbs at various heights. Arrange thicker branches to create a stable base structure. Then add horizontal pieces as shelves. Secure all connections with screws or strong wire for stability. Display potted succulents, herbs, and flowers at different levels on your rustic stand. This organic architecture showcases your plant collection beautifully while adding vertical interest and natural texture to garden corners or patio spaces. Create organic wall art by arranging interesting twigs and bark within a wooden frame. Collect unique branch pieces, textured bark, and interesting wood fragments from your yard. Arrange them artistically within a simple wooden frame, gluing pieces to a backing board. Mount your finished nature panel on garden fences or outdoor walls. This rustic decoration brings woodland character to vertical spaces and showcases the natural beauty found in your own backyard materials. Design minimalist sculptures by tying branch bundles together at varying heights. Gather multiple straight branches and secure them tightly with natural twine at several points. Stand your bundles upright in Zen garden beds among white gravel and simple greenery. Create several columns at different heights for visual rhythm. These clean, organic sculptures add modern artistic elements while maintaining connection to natural materials. Perfect for contemporary gardens seeking understated elegance and peaceful simplicity. Make charming plant labels from flat branch slices with carved or burned names. Cut branches into thick slices and sand them smooth. Use a wood-burning tool or carving knife to add plant names like basil, thyme, or rosemary. Attach each slice to a wooden stake using glue or small nails. Push your markers into garden beds to identify different herbs and vegetables. These handmade labels add farmhouse character while keeping your garden organized beautifully. There you have it, amazing ways to transform simple branches into beautiful garden decorations. From solar chandeliers to whimsical dragonflies, these projects prove that stunning garden decor doesn't have to be expensive. Which project will you try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you love these ideas, smash that like button, subscribe to Homespot for more creative garden content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our DIY tutorials. Happy crafting!